Ever wondered how to make the perfect pancake every time? Imagine waking up to the smell of fluffy, golden pancakes on a lazy Sunday morning. The secret to achieving this bliss starts right here, right now. To start off, gather the basic ingredients. The list includes all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, and butter. Keep in mind that the quality of ingredients plays a significant role in the outcome, so always opt for the freshest produce. Begin by taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt to it. Stir these dry ingredients until they are well combined. Now, in another bowl, crack open an egg, pour in a cup of milk, and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are thoroughly mixed. The magic happens when the wet and dry ingredients unite. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently. Remember, a lumpy batter makes for a fluffier pancake, so resist the urge to overmix. Heat up a non-stick pan over medium heat and grease it lightly with butter. Pour a ladle full of batter onto the hot pan and wait for the magic to unfold. When bubbles start to form on the surface of the pancake and the edges look set, it's time to flip it over. Cook it for another minute or so until both sides are golden brown. Now comes the fun part, dressing up the pancakes. The options are endless. From classic maple syrup, fresh fruits, and whipped cream, to exotic choices like lemon curd, mascarpone, or even bacon and eggs, the world is your pancake, so to speak. In summary, the key to the perfect pancake lies in using fresh ingredients, combining the wet and dry ingredients separately, not over-mixing the batter, and cooking the pancake at the right heat. And of course, don't forget to have fun with a variety of toppings. After all, isn't that what makes pancakes so special? There you have it, the guide to making the perfect pancake every time. So, the next time you're in the mood for some pancake indulgence, remember these simple steps, and let your culinary creativity take over. Happy pancake making!